Hello. Welcome to our Marino Beach room tour. So first of all, before even anything starts, I gotta say something. This is like really security right here. Look what happened. You can hear, see it? Can you hear the sound? Yeah, they all let you know that you haven't closed it. So that's pretty nice. Do not disturb and clean up right here. As soon as you enter, you have a small closet with the safe deposit box. There's a hair dryer in there, and the drawers. There was 2 bottles of water, and they have Dumro tea. They have really good collection right here. And over here you have your tea, peanuts and cookies. This is all complimentary. This is everything included. And you have a fridge, and this also complimentary included into your room. It's not cold enough. I gotta tell them that. Come here. You have table lamps, bed. I think this is like a king bed. So this is the balcony. This is some construction. The one thing, there's no privacy here, so that's only one concern here. And this construction over here, well, you can see the beach, but as you can see, there's no privacy. If somebody's sitting here, they can see you. So that's the Gold Road, Bambalapitiya area. You come down here. This is kind of high tech in here. This is your temperature control. And this is the bathroom. So you have your bathtub, makeup mirror, I guess. There's a switch down here. So a couple of glasses, towels. And this is the toilet area. It's pretty nice, high modern. There's nothing here, and it has a rain shower. I like that one very much. If you check the my Shangri-La video, I love the shower. It's a pretty nice shower. This is a rain shower. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see what. Marino Beach. Shampoo and everything, water temperature control, and this is pretty nice right here. So if you want the light, you press that, and here you go. Turns off, turn on the room when you hold it. And here is nice thing. If you want a privacy, you can close this window shade, but if you want to open it, you press that. All the restaurants and everything at 10th floor, and they're closing at 10 o'clock at night. And you can just walk to Marino Mall from here. We'll go later, do a video of Marino Mall maybe. So it's the Marino Bay, that's the infinity pool, and this is all the channels. Very nice. We'll check that out later. So yeah, that's the room tour at Marino Beach and Kollpiti. And this is room number 752, so the 7th floor. Okay. I'll see you on the next video. If you guys like this kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get the next Sri Lankan video as soon as I post it. Thank you.